Good afternoon, dear children.
Good
Good afternoon.
You are muted.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, I am mute. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children. So, good afternoon to all.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Why, who is?
ma'am.
Yes, somebody is talking in between. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So, yesterday we studied about different types of angle and I explained till right angle, right?
Right angle. Yes, ma'am.
Zero angle, acute angle,
Acute
and
angle
obtuse
and right angle.
Okay. Right angle till that much. And now next one is obtuse angle.
Angle.
Obtuse angle. Yes. Please unmute your mic, please. Let me explain. Okay, children. Obtuse angle. Obtuse. And obtuse angle means its measurement is greater than
90
90 degree and less than 180.
180.
Okay. So, acute angle, then right angle, then obtuse angle. And here you will get one obtuse angle. And it is greater than 90 degree. Okay, children, greater than 90 degree and less than 180.
180 degree.
So we have studied about obtuse angle now. So what is the measurement of obtuse angle? Yes, children?
Greater than 90 degree
angle
less
than 180 degree.
Than 180 degree. Now, next comes our straight angle. Straight angle is a straight line like this. When you keep a protractor, can you see the angle? Can you see the angle of a protractor? How much? How much an angle, full angle protractor shape? Yes? How much?
80.
180. So,
degree.
180 degrees. So, it is known as a straight angle. Okay, children? Straight angle. Okay. So, what is the measurement of a straight angle?
180 degree.
180 degree. 180 degree. So 180 degree, the angle has a special name and it is known as straight angle.
Straight angle.
Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So we studied zero angle,
Acute angle.
acute angle, right angle,
Right angle, obtuse
angle,
and
straight angle.
straight angle.
Okay, now I will show you one thing. Listen, children. See? Can you see the board?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Listen, children. So,
Yes.
0 degree angle and we studied now straight angle also. Straight angle. Two rays are opposite. Straight angle. Like a protractor shape. And its measurement is 180 degree.
180.
Okay, children. Now listen. I have two rays like this and one angle is formed here. One angle is formed. Okay, children. Okay. Two rays like this and the other part of the angle. That is a big angle. Can you see that angle?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a
Yes, ma'am.
big angle there. They not inside this ray, outside the ray. It is known as reflex angle. I don't know whether you know about this.
Yes,
Reflex angle.
Yes, ma'am. More than 180.
It is more than 180.
180.
More than
180.
180.
180 and less than
360.
less than 360.
360.
And it is known as reflex angle. Okay. Again, when it completes one full circle, it is known as complete angle. When it completes one full circle, it is known as complete angle. And what is the measurement of a complete angle?
360 degree.
360 degree. And what is the degree measure of a circle? Total degree measure of a circle? 360 degree.
60.
360.
Okay, children. So we studied all this. Okay. Okay, let me explain. Okay, children. Okay. So 0 degree angle. After that, acute angle. You
Acute
show.
angle.
Tell me the name. What is the shape of this angle?
Acute.
Acute angle. Then
Acute.
this
Right
Right
angle.
angle.
straight. Sorry, right angle.
Right angle.
Then
Obtuse angle.
Angle.
then straight.
Straight angle.
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 Then reflex angle. If I have to show, I have to show
Upside
this
down.
part. Okay, like this. Show this part. That is reflex angle. Then it completes one circle. It is known as
Complete
Complete
angle.
angle.
6. Complete angle.
complete angle. Okay, children.
Ma'am, I'm late to class.
It's okay. Okay, children. One minute. One minute, children. Let me take the board. Okay, I'll draw a clock and I will explain the angles. Okay, children. So we started with 0 angle. I'll explain it. See, this is no angle formed and it is a 0 angle. Okay. Now can you tell this angle? This angle. How much? This is 0 angle.
Acute
Can you see the
angle.
board?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is 0
This
angle.
is acute angle.
Acute angle.
Acute. And when it comes to 12, quarter past 12.
Right angle.
Angle.
Okay, right angle. Okay, children. Now when it comes like this, this,
Obtuse angle.
obtuse, obtuse
Obtuse
angle.
angle.
Okay, children. Again, when it comes straight like this, it is
180
straight angle. So this
degree
is straight
right
angle.
Straight angle.
Okay, straight
Straight
angle. Yes. Again, when it comes like this,
Something went wrong. Please try again.
and this part, it is reflex angle.
Angle.
And the other part is an acute angle, right? One part it is reflex, but the other part of it, this part is, that part is an acute angle, can be a right angle, both. Okay, so reflex angle, then it completes one revolution. It is known as
360 degree. Complete angle.
complete angle. So you are familiar with it now, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
360 degree. Okay, children. Okay. Okay, then. Now I'll give some questions for you. Will you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Should it be written in the notes?
Yes, yes. So you know all about it. You take your notes and you have already written the chapter's heading, right? Understanding elementary shapes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Did you write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I'll continue and I'll send the slides to you. Okay. Yesterday I showed some slides, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 90
Yes,
degree
ma'am.
up to so the same
Yes,
slide
ma'am.
I will show. Only one slide you need to, only one slide I will send it, and that you can draw it in your notes. Okay. Now I'll give some questions for you. I'll write the question. You note down the question and write the answer also. Okay, children? Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll write the question now. And don't tell the answer. I'll give the time to tell the answer to everyone. Okay. And our first question is answer the following. Question is answer the following. Answer the following. I think you have studied all this in last class, right? All this last means last year you have studied all these type of angles. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our first question is what is the measure of? What is the measure of?
Ma'am, you have to write this in this note.
Yes, in your notes. You have to write. What is the measure of? First one. A right angle. Don't tell the answer now. Second one. A straight angle. What is the measure of a right angle and a straight angle?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, should we write greater than, less than?
You take a new page and write these questions.
Ma'am, can we write starting the answer?
Yes.
And then third one.
Yes. Did you write the answer of this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer of first one?
90 degree.
90 degree. Good. And what is the answer of the second one?
180 degree.
80 degree. Okay. All of you got this answer, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Anyone
ma'am.
did not, anyone is who did not get the answer?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I just came now.
I just started. Why you are late, Anna?
Ma'am, power failure.
Okay. Nothing. I starting only. This is the question. Answer the following. Okay. Obtuse angle, right angle, and all you know, Anna, right?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I'll give the second question. Did you write it?
No, ma'am.
Anna, you tell somebody to send the notes to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And the second question is, say true or false. Say true or false. Say true or false. And the first one is, write the answer there and I will tell you to read it. Okay. The measure of an acute angle. An acute angle less than 90. The measure of, second question, the measure of an obtuse angle less than 90 degree. Third one, the measure of reflex angle, the measure of a reflex angle greater than 180. Fourth one, the measure of one complete revolution. The measure of one complete revolution equal to 360 degree.
Ma'am, the measure of an obtuse angle, and then what was that question? Like a measure. Can you show it once again?
Yes, I'll show. Wait. The measure of angle A equal to 53 degree. You write this. By the time I'll show that. Measure of angle B. This is read as measure of. M angle A means measure of angle A. Okay. 35 degree. Then.
Ma'am, what is the starting of the?
Yes, wait. Then measure of angle A greater than measure of angle B. I'll show each question. See children, I'll show each question. Did you write the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who wants to see the second question? Did you see the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about third one?
Ma'am, fifth question.
The one by one I am showing. Wait. Third question did you write? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can write full. Now everything we can see. Isn't it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you can, you write the answer. Say true or false. The question is say true or false.
Ma'am, I got say.
Yes? Is there any problem?
Can you say how will we read the fifth one?
Measure of angle A. M of angle A means it is the small notation of measure M. Okay. M means measure of angle A means that degree measure. Angle A's degree measure is 53 and angle B's degree measure is 35.
120 or 70?
Yes. Measure of angle A is greater than measure of angle B. Measure of angle A greater than measure of angle B. Angle A. An angle's name. This sign symbol is greater than. You know it? You know this symbol?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now shall I explain the answers to you?
No, this ask.
Yes?
Yes.
I will ask.
Come on.
And the first question is measure of an acute angle is less than. What is this symbol? Less than.
Less than.
Less than. Less than means below 90. Is it
Below
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think you got the answer as true. Is it correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board? Shall I change the ink?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is meaning is less than this symbol, and it is true because less than 90 degrees is known as acute angle.
angle.
And second question, the measure of an obtuse angle is again less than symbol came. Less than 90.
Ma'am,
Is
is
it true?
false. False.
False. And what is his answer? What is
Ma'am,
measure of an obtuse angle?
Ma'am, greater than 90.
Greater
than
than
180.
180. Okay. So this is a false statement. Okay, children? And
Okay, ma'am.
third question, the measure of a reflex angle is, this symbol is known as greater than 180. Is it correct? The measure of a reflex angle is greater than 180.
Yes, ma'am. It's correct.
It's correct. I think you got the answer. It is true. All of you got the answer, isn't it?
Yes.
And next, I will scroll the board upwards. Okay, children. Again, fourth question. The measure of one complete revolution is 360 degree. The measure of one complete revolution means one complete angle revolution.
True.
360 degree. When it complete, what is the measure of a complete angle? 360 degree. So, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It is true. Okay. Now we will move to the fifth question. If measure of angle A, how will you read this? This is measure of
Angle A
angle A.
is
And this
53
is
degree.
read as measure of
And
angle
measure
B.
of angle B is 35 degree.
And this green is known as greater than. So in between, you don't make any mistakes, lot of symbol in this. So it is given that one angle is 53 degree and one angle is 35 degree. And angle A is more or angle B is more? Which is more?
Angle A.
So measure of angle A is greater. Greater.
True, ma'am.
So is it true?
True. Yes, ma'am. It is
Yes,
true.
so it is also true. So there are 5 questions. True or false? And is it true or false? Did you write the answer?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. So shall I give the third question to you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'll send some homeworks also because there are a lot of questions in this. Okay? I'll send some homeworks also. Okay, children. And third question is write down the measures of first question, some acute angles. And the second one, some obtuse angles. And two examples means 2 answers are enough. Okay, or 3. Write down the measures of some acute angles. 2 or 3 is enough. You write 3 examples each. Can you write your own?
Yes.
Yes? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we should draw it.
No need. Write down means, what is the meaning of write down? To draw?
We have to just write down the measures.
Just write. Okay. Can you tell me who will tell the answer of first one, acute angle, 2 acute angles?
Ma'am.
Any 2 acute angles, measures. Yes.
Ma'am.
Smriti? Yes. One acute angle you tell.
Acute angles. Angle 23.
Any simply 23 degree, enough. 23 degree. And Vrisa?
Ma'am, 90 degree.
Acute angle 90 degree, Vrisa?
No, ma'am. 40 degree.
Just now you changed. Acute angle is 90 degree?
No, ma'am. Acute angle is less than 90 degree and more.
And the measure is?
Less than 90 degree and more than 0
And
degree.
which angle you wrote?
I wrote 90 degree.
Yes? Again?
40 degree, ma'am. 40 degree. 90 degree in the bracket.
Why you write 90 degree in the bracket?
And because I had a doubt whether in acute angle right like that.
I'll give you nicely.
Okay.
Why did you got the doubt like this? Both are same.
Because in acute angle, 90 degrees less right. Less than 90
Less
degree.
than 90 degree you have to
degree
write.
and
No need of writing unnecessary things.
okay.
Try to write the answer of the question. Only that. Okay, Vrisa?
Okay.
Write the measure of acute angle means no need of mentioning that 90 degree. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Write the answer. Only that necessary things you have to write. And Emil? Emil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which degree you wrote?
Ma'am, first one or second one?
Acute angle.
Ma'am, I write 28 degree.
Okay. Sri Rudra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell the measure you wrote.
ma'am, I wrote 30 degree.
Okay. Now second question is measure of obtuse angle. Ayan Mohammed? Yes. Second question.
Ma'am, 100 degree.
Okay, good. Shravana?
Ma'am, 120 degree.
Yes. Amita?
110 degree.
Yeah, okay. Okay, children. You can write 91, 92, etc. Okay? 91, 92 also. No problem. It should be greater than 90. Only that. So take 91, 92 more than 90. Okay? And you can write up to 179. Okay, children? I'll show it again.
Okay, ma'am.
See. No. See, children, you can write the answer like this. Okay, children. Acute angles, you can write 1 degree onwards. 1 degree, 2 degree, etc. up to 89 degree you can write. And obtuse angles start. Hello, are you listening? 91 degree, 92 degree, up to 179 degree. Clear? And when it comes 90 degree, it is known as right angle. And when it comes 180 degree, it is known as straight angle. So no need of mentioning that. Okay, children? You can start writing from 1 degree, 2 degree, up to 89 degree. Okay, children? Now I'll send some homeworks to you. Now, shall I wind up the class?
Okay, ma'am.
So, okay, will you study it? And okay, Vrisa, don't write unnecessary things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so shall I leave now?
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am? Ma'am, hello, ma'am. Ma'am?
ഇങ്ങനോട് എന്തായി അവളെ
I am the host. Yes. Ma'am,
Ma'am.
ma'am, you are muted. Hello, ma'am.
End the meeting. You leave the meeting class, okay? Your
Okay,
class
ma'am.
over. Ma'am
Okay,
left.
ma'am.
Okay, you can leave the class.
Okay, ma'am.